Filing for bankruptcy can be an intimidating process, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, I'll try to explain some of the terms that are frequently used in a bankruptcy proceeding so that you can have a little bit of an understanding of what you may be running into when you do file for Chapter 7 bankruptcy. One of them is the means test. Now, the means test is a process by which your income and expenses are analyzed in order to determine your ability to repay your debts. Failing the means test means you have way too much money and are certainly capable of repaying your debts, in which case bankruptcy probably is not going to be for you. So the means test is a very important element. We help you with that and analyzing that when you retain us in connection with any kind of bankruptcy proceeding. Another term is the trustee. Now, trustee is someone who's appointed by the court in order to investigate or determine whether you are disclosing everything properly in your bankruptcy petition and making sure that you're not making any attempt to defraud any of your creditors. He or she stands in for the creditors, and they have the ability to ask you questions at something called the 341 meeting. But if you've prepared everything properly and disclosed everything properly in your petition, then the 341 meeting is a breeze and you're able to move on to the next step. Liquidation is another term that's used in bankruptcy. And what liquidation essentially means is the sale of assets that aren't exempt, that aren't protected. So that if you have assets in excess of those exemptions and you owe money to creditors, the trustee will sell those assets and use the proceeds from that sale to pay off your creditors. Discharge. Discharge is by far the holy grail of the Chapter 7 bankruptcy. The discharge is that fresh start you're looking for. Discharge says, I'm taking all your debts and throwing them away. They don't exist anymore, reducing them to zero. It's freedom. It's financial liberty. It's what you want from a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. And then there's the two kinds of debt, secured and unsecured. Secured debt is debt that's secured by collateral. Think of a car loan or a mortgage, something that should you fail to pay it, the bank will take it away. That's secured debt. Unsecured debt is debt that has no collateral. It's why you pay so much in interest for it. Credit card debt, personal loans, things of that nature. There's no collateral for that. And that's why banks charge you an arm and a leg. Well, Chapter 7 bankruptcy can help you with that. And Chapter 7 bankruptcy shouldn't be intimidating. Give us a call and we'll certainly help you understand the process, guide you through it, and get you that fresh start that you deserve.